The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has announced that dinnerware manufactured from the sheath of leaves from the Areca catechu plant may not lawfully be offered for sale in the U.S. Specifically, dinnerware items such as bowls, plates, cups, and cutlery, often marketed as palm leaf plates or palm leaf dinnerware, have been found to pose a potential health risk. Laboratory testing. FDA scientists conducted tests designed to mimic real-world use in contact with food. Samples were exposed to temperature-controlled conditions, and analytical testing, including mass spectrometry, detected compounds migrating into food simulants. Toxic chemical migration. These migrating compounds are alkaloids, such as arecoline, aricatine, guvacoline, guvacine, chemicals that naturally occur in various parts of the catechu palm plant, including the leaf sheath. Alkaloids have been shown to cause a variety of negative health effects when ingested, including cancer. Some of these alkaloids are known to have cytotoxic, genotoxic, mutagenic, and carcinogenic effects. Health risk evaluation. The FDA combined these test results with available toxicological data. Based on this evaluation, the agency determined that the routine and regular use of this dinnerware could pose long-term health risks. The leaching potential was specifically noted under intended use conditions, and tests showed increased migration following microwave heating and in accelerated use simulations. Plant-derived materials are generally considered safe for food contact use, and the FDA has historically not objected to plant-based products without a safety concern. However, the use of the catechu palm leaf sheath does not meet the necessary regulatory criteria. Not generally recognized as safe, Gray S. The catechu palm leaf material in dinnerware does not meet the statutory criteria for general recognition of safety, or Gray S. This is based on scientific data demonstrating a potential safety concern from dietary exposure to its known alkaloid constituents. Unsafe food additive. Since the use of catechu palm leaf material in dinnerware is not GRAS and lacks any effective authorization, it is classified as an unsafe food additive under Section 409 of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, FD&C Act. Adulterated products. Food contact products that contain or bear an unsafe food additive are considered adulterated. Offering an adulterated product for sale in interstate commerce is a prohibited act under the FD&C Act. Note that the FDA is not yet ordering recalls of products already sold, since the health risk is long-term rather than acute, but sales for future import and distribution are not authorized under current status. The FDA is taking steps to prevent these products from entering and remaining on the U.S. market. Import Alert 23.15. The FDA has placed all dinnerware products manufactured from the Areca catechu leaf sheath on Import Alert 23.15. Ports and inspection authorities are actively screening shipments to prevent their importation into the U.S. market and detaining or refusing relevant shipments. Retailer and importer responsibility. Retailers, distributors, and importers are responsible for ensuring that the products they market, distribute, or import for food contact are safe and comply with FDA regulations. Companies must verify supplier materials and confirm that products are not manufactured from the leaves, leaf sheaths, or other parts of the catechu palm plant. Current product on the market. Because the health concern arises from long-term use, the FDA is not currently directing retailers to recall products already sold to consumers, since the health risk is long-term rather than acute. But sales for future import and distribution are not authorized under current status. The agency will, however, take appropriate action when violative products are found on the U.S. market. Important nuances. The issue is specific to dinnerware made from the sheath of the leaves of catechu, often described as Areca palm leaf dinnerware. it does not automatically apply to all palm leaf dinnerware from other plant species or other natural fiber dinnerware materials, such as bamboo or sugarcane. Only those from the specified plant and using the sheath in this way. The term banned is somewhat shorthand. It's not that the FDA declared absolute permanent prohibition. Rather, the material is not currently authorized for food contact use and is subject to import detention and sale prohibition unless or until cleared. This safety evaluation is specific to dinnerware made from parts of the catechu palm. Unaffected alternatives. Other biodegradable or eco-friendly alternatives, such as bamboo, sugarcane, and sorghum, remain unaffected by this evaluation. Here are some FDA-compliant and eco-friendly alternatives to dinnerware made from the Areca catechu palm sheath. 1. Sugarcane bagasse plates. Material: fibrous residue left after extracting juice from sugarcane. Pros: widely used and FDA cleared for food contact. Naturally compostable and biodegradable. Can handle both hot and cold foods. Cons: slightly less sturdy than Areca in some designs. 2. Bamboo dinnerware. Material: made from bamboo fibers or pressed bamboo pulp. Pros: renewable, biodegradable, and heat-resistant. Typically FDA compliant when manufactured properly. No melamine binders. Cons: some bamboo melamine blends are not biodegradable and must comply with specific FDA limits for melamine. Tip: look for 100% natural bamboo fiber products, not bamboo plastic composites. 3. Wheat bran or wheat straw plates. Material: byproducts from wheat processing. Pros: edible wheat bran plates and straw fiber options exist. Compostable and sturdy. Cons: not suitable for those with gluten allergies. Bran type. Limited shelf life. Biodegrades faster. 4. PLA, polylactic acid, bioplastic plates. Material: derived from fermented cornstarch or sugarcane. Pros: certified compostable in industrial composting facilities. Transparent and durable options available. Cons: softens above around 1 to 10 degrees Celsius. Not great for hot foods. Industrial composting required for proper disposal. 5. Wooden or birch veneer plates. Material: thin sheets of birch, poplar, or other untreated woods. Pros: naturally biodegradable and grass for food contact. Rustic, elegant appearance for events. Cons: single-use, not dishwasher safe, slightly more expensive. 6. Palm species, other than Areca, catechu. Some products labeled palm leaf are made from different palm species, like Borassus flabellifer or Corypha elata. These are not automatically banned, but manufacturers must demonstrate food contact safety or GRAS status. If you're sourcing or importing, ask for the botanical name and FDA compliance documentation. When buying or importing eco-plates into the U.S., ask suppliers for FDA Food Contact Compliance Certificate. Botanical species identification for plant-based materials. Test reports for migration or leaching safety. Future authorizations. There are currently no effective authorizations for food contact uses of products manufactured from the catechu leaf sheath. Such authorization is usually obtained by submitting information to FDA through a food contact notification. As part of this process, the FDA conducts a rigorous scientific safety assessment of information submitted to the agency and considers other relevant information available to ensure that the intended use is safe. This process includes analyzing testing data that demonstrates the amount of migration of a food contact substance to food because of its intended use, and toxicological data to ensure that the consumer exposure resulting from this migration is safe. The FDA also reviews data submitted under the National Environmental Policy Act to ensure that the use of the food contact substance does not have a significant impact on the environment. Firms interested in legally offering such dinnerware for sale in the U.S. must submit a pre-market notification for a food contact substance, FCN, to the FDA for formal review. Is your company manufacturing, exporting, or importing dinnerware? A food contact substance is a substance that comes into contact with food and is not intended to have a technical effect in such food. This includes food packaging and its components, processing equipment, food preparation surfaces, or cookware. Other examples include substances that are added to or applied on packaging surfaces, such as adhesives, colorants, certain uses of antimicrobials and antioxidants. Certain food contact substances are considered indirect food additives. Contact ITB Holdings LLC at www.itbholdingsllc.com. Use the free live support chat available 24/7, including in foreign languages, for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and updates. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new content. Until next time, stay safe, stay compliant, and stay tuned. See you next week.